Hello guys! So it's December 22. Yesterday nag-anniversary yung bataan namin. And today is our official year-ender activity sa PE family. So, sorry medyo may sakit pa ako. This is going to be another PE family escape. Teacher yan. So, stopover kami dito sa Tila Pilon. Actually, ito na yung pinaka pupunta namin. Itong Tila Pilon Cafe. We're going to register here. And later on, bababa na kami para sa hike. Well, actually, it's a mini hike. Pero since naka-close na sila, naka-close because meron silang year-end party. Kaya, I don't know kung anong negotiate ng aming leader. Ngayon, we're just staying here. Nantay namin kung pwede kami mag-breakfast and mag-coffee. Dahil wala pang tao sa reception. Yeah. By the way, we're here at DRT, Doña Remedios Trinidad. Umuulan pala. Nababasa yung camera ko. Wait lang. This is the trail going doon sa Tila Pilon Hills. Later on, we will do this. Magbe-break lang kami sandali. Yung iba magko-coffee. Hopefully, makapunta kami doon. Silipin lang natin kasi umuulan din, baka masira itong camera natin. Okay. This is the scene. Ay, galing palang Fatima si 25
years na.
Mag-hi naman kayo. Guys, did you know na this is going to be our 4th year na nag-outing tayo sa ating Christmas party sa department. Imagine 4th year na natin. Mga pack shit, walang pa kayo.
I love you.
Sir Matt, ano masasabi mo? For ano lang ang docu natin? Ano masasabi mo? 4th year natin ngayon. Diba, no? Plus yung bonus natin na Ilocos. Si Ma'am Rom pala. Si Ma'am Rom year 2 niya na. Ay, actually, first year pa lang ni Ma'am Rom kasi Ilocos kasi, diba, yung bonus summer natin.
Matarik mi. Nasaan kayo banda?
Alalay mo lang.
Oo, taas pa mi. Oo. Wait namin kayo dito kasi walang data walang signal data. Sige, mi, bye-bye.
So, nakarating na kami dito sa aming campsite. Sobrang taas. Sobrang tarik din. Tapos, aakatin pa tong area na to. Yan, yung inaakit ni Sir Matt. Ganon siya ka-tindi. So, yung area namin, kagagawa lang. So, parang kagagawa lang ng terrain. Parang nasa dulo kami kasi ito yung pinaka-last na parang sementadong daan. Kita niyo yan. Yung dulo, yan ay puro lupa na. So, medyo delikado lang kanina because yung pinakadaan ay napakakitid. Napaka maliit lang. Parang kasya lang yung isa. It's a two-way street pero mahirap yung daan. Masikip. And obviously umuulan. So nandito kami sa DJ campsite. Pinaka receiving area pero we're going up there. Magpo 4x4 daw pero I think pwede na yung lakarin. Sobrang tarik nito. Hawak mabuti. Malapit na po. Basang-basa na. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Basang-basa na. Mamaya patutuyuin talaga kita. Welcome to EJ campsite. By far the most tiring entrance namin sa aming tinutuluyan. Who would imagine na may ganyan dito? We made it, guys! We made it! Congrats to us!
Bakit kayo naglakad? Para makakasakay doon, isa lang. Magbabayad ng extra.
This is worth the trek. Look at that. So amazing to be alive. Napakasarap mabuhay, Lord. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this life, for this creation. Napatunayan natin, sir, na PE teachers tayo lahat. We are staying here at PJ Campsite. Sige, tutour ko kayo, guys. I will tour you sa area natin. So ito yung aming front area. Well, actually, that's the front. The view of Pool Bulacan. So medyo foggy lang today because of the weather. Then on the side, meron kaming pool. Yan. And then yung entrance namin kanina. And yung, well, sort of store. And then sa taas merong accommodation din. And then merong view dito. Pwede yakin yan. Mamaya, or anywhere somewhere in this video, pwede natin kita yan. Then dito, punta tayo sa may side. This is the toilet. Well, it's raining today, kaya medyo muddy. Dito, meron tayong sidewalk para may safety. Meron tayong railing. And then, going forward, I think that's the, yan, the staff room. And then yung 4x4 naming ginamit kanina to transport some of our members and yung mga gamit namin. And then here is the how do you call this? Para siyang tree house. The foundation is there and then covered lang yung kind of tree house. And then the magnificent Mother Nature. Not Sierra Madre. Ang ganda. Maganda. Well, Sir Matt, you are one of the greats pagdating sa or paghanap ng mga lugar. Imagine, this is just in Bulacan, BRT. Diba? So there, kita nyo naman. So we have two rooms here. One is here. And medyo simple lang yet so cold. Malinis, mabango. And then the other one is mas malaki siya, pero malaki siya. Ayan.
Ang tagal naman! Basta na ako!
2 beds, 1 bunk bed. So going here, punta tayo dito sa kabila. Saan yung daan dito pala? Eh. Ayun yan naman. Resort pero walang ano. Tatalon! Dahan-dahan. So yan, nakari natin. So I think hindi pa masyadong maayos yung daan. Pero parang ganyan na siya. Tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin. Wow. Alam niyo yung mga puno at alaman lang siya. Pero it's different. Often see this type of environment and it's kind of refreshing. It's relaxing to see all this. Once in a while, good to watch and just relax and appreciate nature. Subscribe. Bam, 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 bam. This is our kitchen. Ayan, obviously, meron ng marinade for dinner. Liempo yan. Cookingware namin. The lavatory. And then the food. Easy ang mga tao. Mag-relax.
Ayan, gagawin natin ang shot, ano? Go!
Dapat kasi may background sa YouTube. Inihipanis mo lang namin. Piniplam eh.
Ensalada to po ang minimum antitake.
Oo nga eh. Ano may sabaw? Ang galing nga tama ako eh.
Mi, ano masasabi mo this year, Mi, sa ating...
Yeah, so really fun. It's really exhausting, but it's especially at the same time fun.
Ano yung fun?
Just for fun.
Tinola. Marong. Dakto. Ikim.
Sir, tinom naman ako, sir. Uy, pwede mo ako.
Ay, sabi nila ako kasi ako na sa pahin.
Uy, bye, bye, bye.
Ako na sinakala ko lagi. Paldo, paldo. Yung paldo.
Ben, ipahay ko.
Wala yun. Improvise lang eh. Wala na, hindi na ako nakakamang ng lamig eh. Okay, meron kayong 300.
So sunny. Good morning. Meron pa rainbow. Yahoo! Hindi na kami nakapag-swimming. Hindi na kami nakapag-swimming kasi sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig yan. As in yellow. Charging the devices. Kadaya dito. Sheesh! Wow! 'Di ba? Wow! 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 going home now. But since yung aming service ay malilate daw, supposedly dapat 12. Sabi kasi alas 12, ang narinig niya is alas 2. We're supposed to be staying up there still sa accommodation. But di kami pinayagan kasi unang-una daw mayroong guests. Kasi we're willing to pay naman. Pero you know, business is business. Kaya bumaba kami. It's sad lang pero nandito na rin kami. Bumaba na rin kami. So to kill the time, they are playing. Ingay.
Stick ko na yan.